It was unplanned. Guys, this, no, you hadn't planned it. I didn't know it. And we hadn't been in this location because whatever in doubt, we're in this location. We hadn't seen it. So, well, crap, it's time. Well, it's time for me to get out of here because it's the fall season. And we wear jackets. Okay. There's a lot.
Make sure you get on the cow train. It's really fun.
We have lots of gridstones and oh shoot. Okay, I'm not seeing this thing.
If your school group comes here during the week, we'll have a fun time here at the Green Pumpkin Farm. We'll take you on a hayride, and we'll let you pick your own pumpkin, and we'll give you food to feed our animals, and a glass of cider with your lunch. And there's always time to play with the babies. Oh yeah, you also get to see the chicken show.
Look, continuation. This is really bakery. There's apple cider, cross. Oh, I never tried cannoli. I
Never had a cannoli?
No,
Oh, you're good.
no, never. Oh no, never. I was enjoying drinking. I am drinking, but again, I'm. It's the good old goes. I'm not taking this picture. No. This is gonna look real with Dracula. Oh, it's not a real damn Dracula here. Shoot. Okay. We better get scared here. Along with us with the outside. Because this is the outside. This is the whole map right here. Of where you want to go. See all the list. This is all the pumpkins they had. And it's from across the board. And this Alright. You know, the grasses and pumpkins. And this one here has made a house. And it's really nice that look see how tall this thing is. Oh my god. Never get this pumpkin be that tall. Alright. I'll take it away. Alright. Man, never get so much this big right here. Going from top all the way to here. Gosh.
Yeah, it's 45 cents a pound.
5 photo sections of pumpkins. Every aisle, stadium at the stadium. It's a bleachers.
Yeah, alright.
It's throughout the whole process of pumpkins.
Boys and girls, we're just about 10 minutes away from the Cactus Pen Review at 12:30, and they'll be followed at 1 o'clock. Like very many. Second magic show of the day.
14.
Oh, they're the wheelbarrows are right over there. If you want to use them.
Where? Let's go.
And it's the freaking fall season. It's pretty cool.
This one.
Bloomin' onion,
Want that one?
ribbon fries,
Alright. That's not bad.
It's all.
Let's go. Another one more.
Another one? About this side?
A lot of good sections.
apple, cotton candy,
Alright. Okay, so we went back to his car right now. At least we got the stamp right here to re-enter. We're so lucky that we can come back there anytime. I don't know. We have to come back here twice. Or maybe once. I don't know. So I'm not tired. Okay, I'm not tired. We just had to be parked all the way in the back. Well, almost in the back. I feel very tired now. So let's continue our adventure after buying some of our pumpkins and ready to carve. Next time we're doing this. Okay. Reach back there. Alright, we're back now.
Over there, so you're coming.
We are back. Where we're stuck. We got the doghouse. It's a long line for the Saturday night. Which is there's pick up in this side. Yeah. It's that freaking it's that freaking John Wayne. Gosh, okay. That was for this. Oh, ice ball. We've done that when I was a kid. Oh, let's check. Dollar bills. It's about $1. Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Oh, shoot, my hand. Oh, my hand's about to hot. My hand's about to be hot. Ow. Guys, 22,000. That was the highest score we ever got than anybody else. That was pretty cool. Okay. I'm still holding the hot chocolate here, and it's so dang hot. Ow. Gosh, I have to put someone down there for a second. Okay, it's like a pumpkin cannon. It is gonna go whoosh. It's gonna fly all over the place. Gosh. And then we have a lot of stuff too over here. Oh, there's corn maze too. And this is the stage. This is where they have a band.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Great percent. Oh, shoot, my. Again. I really hate. Okay, now we're going this way. Oh boy.
This is the group chat.
Oh, it's all crush. There's all the crush markets over there. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's all the abandoned slide. I don't know what. I don't know why it's delayed there. Okay, anywho. Still abandoned.
With your phone.
I'm trying to hold on my phone. I'm gonna hold my phone. It is a slide. Oh, we're in the middle of the. Oh, it's better not get scarier here. Nothing watchable. Oh, it's right there. It is right there. Oh, better not live there. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Oh. Oh, there's an. Oh. Oh. There's another one. Yes, find anything that's caught. Oh, there's another one too. Right there. Oh, there's another two and another one too in the back. Oh, there's ghosts right here. And and another one. Oh. Oh, there's another one here. And there's one here. Oh, that car seems so strange. What is that? Oh. Oh. Hopefully you get mostly in here and count where all the oddest ones here. Gotta get caught one of them. Oh, it's right there. Oh, it could be a monster. Maybe a monster right there. And that's why you don't go all the way in this place, because this is bad. So the tractor we tried. I'm not sure they're gonna pay. It's $5. And this is here is Got It. One of my favorite games around here in the carnival is this. The 50 cents a game. It's 50 cents per game. Oh my goodness, yay. We went to play Got It and now, wow, we finally got our first. We have the first prize on our first one. We've never done it. Did it? Oh, you want to ride? Oh, there's $5 right here. If it's close there's $5 right there. If it's close enough. There it is. That's close enough. There's $5 here. Is there another $5? No. I mean, it's the same thing, but this is the closest one we got. Look at the yellow. It's really nice. It's awesome for the Halloween. Even birds too. Plus, awesome music. Okay, now you've seen a lot of good stuff around here at the Great Pumpkin Farm. It's amazing.
Are we going to pay that one too?
The what?
That in the video.
Alright, awesome. Okay, great. It's very cool. Well, it's had fun knowing here at the oh shoot, I can't remember now. At the Great Pumpkin Farm. Well, we still wait. Tim Hortons is there.
Oh yeah, I think you
Right. Anyway. I think we have a lot of fun around here in this place. Oh, in this beautiful, awesome place here. Let me see if you focus on me on my camera. There you go, guys. We are just getting out of the Great Pumpkin the Great Pumpkin Farm. Wow. And there's going to be a lot of people. Oh, and by the way, this is going to be the last weekend of doing this. And yeah, thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog, and I hope I'll see you on the next adventure. So yeah, thank you guys. And I'll see you next time. So long.